Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the scalar quantity and vector quantity and what is basic difference between the scalar quantity and vector quantity. For scalar quantity, magnitude is required. We have to give information regarding magnitude of that quantity. And second, there is no need to give information about direction. No direction required. Scalar quantity, there is only importance to the magnitude, there is no importance to the direction. Few examples of scalar quantity: mass, volume, length, time, distance, speed, work, energy, power. As you can see in this picture, suppose this car, it has a certain speed. When I'm talking about the speed, there is no it is not required to talk about with which direction the speed is. About this apple also, I have to give information about just the mass or the volume of the liquid inside this beaker, or about the time. All these are the scalar quantity. Here magnitude has the importance. No direction is required to give information about these quantities. What about the vector quantity? Magnitude is required as well as directions are also required. Example of this is force, velocity, acceleration and moment. As you can see in this picture, now if I am talking about the velocity of the car, I have to give information about in which direction the velocity is. Or about this apple also, if I am keeping this apple on a weighing machine, I have to say like this apple weight is going downward direction. Or about this block which is on an inclined plane, and different arrows we have shown, this side, this side, this side. So every arrow will have some meaning: frictional force, weight. So for all those forces, I have to give information about the direction in which they are moving. Or a simple example of scalar quantity, what I can give: suppose someone asks you about your weight, what answer we will give? My weight is 50 kg, or my weight is 40 kg. Whether we will answer like this: if I head towards west, my weight is 40 kg. If it is towards east, it is 42 kg. If it is towards north, it is 42.5 kg. Is it like that? No. What we will answer? We will answer only my weight is 40 kg or 50 kg. There no, it is not required to give information about direction. Simple example about vector quantity is: if someone tells you open the door and come inside, so first thing what we will see, that is there anything written on the that door, whether it is written pull or push. We will check. If it is pull, we will pull it, and if it's push, we will push it, right? So just because of those two words, pull and push, we will come to know about the direction, in which direction if I go, I can open the door. So through that direction you will understood, or because of that pull and push word, you will understood about, you will get information about the direction. So there I need to give information about magnitude also and direction also. Such kind of quantities we will say vector quantities. Scalar quantity and vector quantity, they are very important for the physics point of view. In coming videos and for the coming concepts, we will make use of this scalar quantity and vector quantity in more depth. Thank you.